Hello and welcome to NXG Markets. This is Mohsen Ismail. Today we're making this video, a short video, just to understand exactly what might happen in the market, because we are at a point where the question comes in our mind whether this is a very good swing sell or a buy for a record breaking high. So let's understand as to what is exactly happening in the market when we look at today's date. Of course, there is no news as such, which also means that it has been since a couple of days because of less news. It has been into a range bound, and the range has reached to a level which is worth understanding, and that is why we are making this video. I would request you to kindly please concentrate, and if you're first new here, please like, subscribe, and share our channel for daily updates and understanding of the market analysis. Now, when we look at tomorrow is the day where we need to consider a few things. As you look at, there is a news for prelim GDP and unemployment claims, which also says that tomorrow is the day that you can see a very good volatility or fluctuation in understanding the perfect position that you need to open. Now, to understand this, what we will do is we will go to our very own technical analysis. And if we look at this particular chart, this is where I want you to focus on. Now, when we look at this, so far the market has been towards its level of buy, all good buy positions, which we say as swing buys, the long-term buy positions that you had. But now has the market reached to a level where we see it happening for a very good swing sell? Is that the case? Or is it going to be a record-breaking high going further and entering into another level of the fluctuations that or rather trend, which we have to then focus on and continue with? The market is really very volatile and probably will be tomorrow, as tomorrow there's an important news, and of course Friday again. So Thursdays and Fridays are very, very important days, the coming 2 days, for you to understand and focus on it. Because as you see, I want you to certainly make a note of these points, that market reaching 3,400 and crossing above and closing would be a very good sign for it to go towards 2430 and then reach towards its all-time high of 3,500 and then cross over and make that a particular standardized or correction method. So this is very, very important for us to understand. And the market from here certainly gets rejected, then that is 3,400. If the market gets rejected and goes down below, then again it's going to be the same cycle of a swing sell, going up to 3,325 back again, and below there is 3,271 this time in this coming week. So ideally speaking, tomorrow and day after tomorrow is going to be a deciding factor for that, because market is at the range where it can be either a strong swing sell or a strong buy coming in the future, right? That's all I have now. If you this is for the gold. Now, even if you look at the Bitcoin as coming at a very all-time low at this point, where it's a break-even point, if the market goes below down there, then we can expect it to go up to 103 to even 98 as well. All right. However, if the market recovers and gets rejected, like for example, this is a frame of 109 that was the previous high over here. If this does not cross this, if this candle today does not go below this and stays above, there is a possibility that we can expect it to go back up to 115 to 117 and probably try and touch towards this 121 mark of it, and the all-time high as well, of course. Right. So, like I said, today is a very important day for you to observe the range as to where the market closes, and so goes for Ethereum. However, Ethereum has been very, very strong throughout the couple of months that we have seen against Bitcoin as well. And the only reason behind that being is there has been a lot of investment coming in from the institutions and a lot of things, which soon you will see it in a video for especially for the cryptocurrency investors. So here's what I have for today, and always be in touch. Anything that you like, you want to say, you can always put it on the comment box, and we will reply back to you. Thank you. You have a wonderful day, a wonderful life, and happy trading.